One.
Three.
Interesting, they're talking the sauce. Oh, it's with the disruption, are there? Oh, I killed the auto be off here. It definitely counts for sim, guys, I swear.
Yeah, I don't know why they didn't put any of the fouls in the game.
Because it's sim.
I guess. But 2024 had fouls.
Yeah, pretty true. Shoot, wait, guys. It's a close game. I gotta lock in with it. Horse is active.
Defense.
No, I'm just being with y'all. I would never play defense.
Just take his balls.
That guy steal everything he wants.
His greed sickens me.
But what greed, man?
I'm a greed found in the Bible.
I'm always it's no. We got clocked in there.
Oh, I'm locked out. I am locked out. I'm clocked. I just got clocked in the head.
See, Evie totally agrees. But guys, pardon me. Excuse me.
His greed sickens me.
But hey guys, this toward Miss Kayla and Kayla. Oh, it's no.
I'm stuck.
I'll help you.
Oh damn it, he's still making it in. Yeah, tip him.
Toward, well, Beaver left in this situation, toward Beaver left.
Yeah, he's taking twisted.
Yeah. I got Hey, Oz, I got protected shots, man. All I gotta do is put him.
Oh man.
Why does I have more protected shots than any XRC robot, man? All the XRC robots just can't shoot from anywhere.
Oh man, not really?
Link can shoot from anywhere.
Oh,
Actus
no.
can shoot from anywhere.
Well, only Rapid can. Link cannot shoot from corners.
So why would you shoot from the corner?
Because
you goof. Why not? Why not?
GG's.
Why not?
GG's.
GG.
Why not?